takes on. All right, let's talk about some words that have mathematical meanings. We looked at that sheet on the web. Is and are mean equals. Is and are mean equals. Most of the words for add and subtract we're pretty familiar with. Add would be words like more than, sum is the answer to an addition problem. Subtraction would be things like less than or reduce. What's the answer to a subtraction problem called? The difference. Okay. Difference between, if I say the difference between their ages is 12 years, that would mean if you subtract the smaller age from the bigger age, you're going to get 12. Okay? So difference is the answer to a subtraction problem. Multiply we commonly use the word times, don't we? What's the fancy name for the answer to a multiplication problem? Product. Okay? So product, if we say the product of 3 and 4 is what? That would mean 3 times 4. The product of 3 and 4 would be 12. And then divided by someone other than Christina, what's the answer to a division problem called? Begins with Q. Yeah. Quotient. Yeah. Quotient. Now, I don't think you'll ever see that in this textbook. That would mean divide. Now, let me tell you 2 words that are very common that you might not think of. The most important word to remember in this class is the word of. The word of means multiply. If we say half of 24, that means a half times 24. So if you punch in your calculator 24 times 0.5, you'll get 12. Okay? Half of something is half times it. 30% of 42 means 30% times 42. So the word of, that'll save you a lot of grief. If you know that the word of means times, that'll solve a lot of problems for you. And then there's one other word that, not so common in this class, but in everyday speech, the word per means divided by. The word per means divided by. So for instance, if we say she went 120 miles in 2 hours, what was her average rate of speed? How would we figure that out? I'm hearing that there's something being said, but I'm not hearing what it is. How would we figure out average speed if we know we went 120 miles in 2 hours? We'd divide, wouldn't we? We'd say 120 divided by 2 is 60 miles divided by hours. But we don't say it that way, do we? We say our average rate of speed was 60 miles per hour. Per means divided by. Okay? So the word per means divided by. And of means times. And is and are mean equals. Okay. That's that topic.